Let's get to this. A live look tonight as the stalemate continues in Washington, D.C. Taking a live look at the Capitol there. The constant worry about paychecks and food continues as the government is still shut down tonight. Millions of Americans may soon lose access to SNAP benefits in November because of this shutdown. U.S. Senators Raphael Warnock and John Ossoff, they are among several lawmakers who co-signed a letter urging the USDA to act quickly to prevent a pause in SNAP benefits. Lawmakers, they want the agency to use contingency funds and other legal options to ensure benefits continue through November. Well, tonight we are walking you through resources that are available for you if you need help. Millions of Americans are at risk of losing critical benefits that can help them cover grocery expenses and baby formula.
They don't get paid livable wages. And so their budget is the difference between them being able to pay their rent, being able to pay childcare, car insurance.
Gina Platanino is the acting director for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program known as SNAP at the Food Research and Action Center. That's an advocacy group. Roughly 42 million people rely on SNAP benefits to help pay for food. The U.S. Department of Agriculture says SNAP has about $6 billion in a contingency fund, but November SNAP benefits are expected to total around $8 billion. The other federally funded program impacted is WIC, Women, Infant, and Children, and it provides financial assistance to pregnant women, new moms, and children up to the age of 5. More than 6 million families rely on WIC.
The rising food costs are squeezing families. Formula is so expensive, and without having access to WIC benefits, folks are going to have to decide what to do in terms of feeding their baby and feeding their family.
Dr. Colleen Delaney with the nonprofit Vitamin Angels says they work with several WIC facilities. She says families who need help during this uncertain time can turn to local health departments, their pediatrician who may have formula samples they can give out, and food banks. But long lines are already forming at some food banks like this one in Iowa.
The charitable food system cannot fill this gap, no matter how hard we try.
With November right around the corner, there's little sign the shutdown will end anytime soon.